All right, now we're doing 7Q product array series number 5. This is by Mr. Zizo Scream, and 92% of the people like it. This is going to be the introduction and warm-up. Highly recommended. What? Anyway, whatever. The task is given an array or list, empty array of integers. We're going to construct a product array of same size such that product I is equal to the product of all the elements of R except Ri, right? So basically we're going to say, like on this one, this number is going to be this times this times this. This number is going to be this times this times this. This one in index 2 is going to be index 0, index 1, and index 3, multiplied by each other. And then this one is going to be this times this times this. All right. So basically, that's what we're going to do. So on this one, we're going to map it. We're going to do a map for every element, and then we're just going to do a reduce to multiply each. We're going to do a reduce of previous multiplied by current. I'll show you what we're going to do. Check it out. So first, we're going to go here and say const. We're going to say equals this, and we're going to come down here and go like this. All right. And so now we've got our concise syntax set up. We're going to do the map like I said. So we'll say numbers on the next line. We'll say numbers dot map. All right. And if you don't know about the map method, it creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So in this one, it's going to be x times 2. So 1 times 2, 2, and then we're going to have 8, 18, and 32 out of 4, 9, and 16, all right? And it's just going to multiply it by 2 respectively. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do here. We're going to say element like this. And for the expression, we're going to use reduce. And the reduce method executes a user-supplied reducer callback function on each element of the array in order, passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. The final result of running the reducer across all elements of the array is a single value. And we don't got to worry about the rest of it. The easiest to understand case is to return the sum of all elements, but this time we're going to return the product of all elements, all right? So we're going to say, actually, let me show you what the syntax is. We're going to do reduce, previous value, comma, current value. We're going to have that arrow here and an expression right here. So we're going to say right here, numbers dot reduce, because we're going to reduce this array, the numbers array. And we're going to say prev, comma, cur for previous and current. And then we're going to say, after this arrow, the expression is just going to be previous times current. That's not the times current. All right, cool. And so now we've got all of them we've got the product of all of them. Now all we got to do is divide out whatever the current element is, right? So just divide element, and that should do it. Let's do this, test it out. It works. Let's see if it works for real, and it does. Submit it. All right, and it's basically the same as this, just done my style. Let's go to my solutions. Best practice in my opinion, very much like this one, and we'll see you next time.